Hi, this is Phil at PaGu Batons. I'd like to tell you just a little bit about our stick repair service that we offer at PaGu Batons. I like to tell my clients that if you have a handle that you really enjoy and it feels comfortable in your hand, you really should never throw it away, but you should rather instead have a new stick put on it. At PaGu Batons, what we do is we offer a 1 year stick warranty. So if the stick warps or breaks within a year, we'll replace that for free. You just cover the shipping cost. After a year, we charge a $25 fee to do a total baton reconditioning, and what that means is that we take the damaged stick, like this one here. If you notice, it's pretty damaged, and the handle, the finish on it's pretty dull. And what we'll do is we'll take and we'll cut that stick off. We'll drill it out, put a new finish on the handle, and put a brand new stick on, so it'll look like this. This is one that we just finished. So a brand new stick and a handle with a new finish on it, and that's our PaGu Baton stick repair service. Hope you enjoyed this video. Contact us at phil.agulia@pagubatons.com with questions.